In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set full WhatsApp profile picture without cropping. The idea is simple. We'll prepare your photo as a perfect square so WhatsApp doesn't trim off the top or sides, and we'll add subtle borders so the entire image fits cleanly inside the frame. Start by opening your device's photo gallery and choosing the photo you want to use. Pick the highest quality version you have, ideally one with a bit of space around the subject. That extra room makes it easier to keep everything visible once WhatsApp displays it inside a circle. Next, tap Edit and look for the Crop Frame or Aspect Ratio tool. Different phones label this a bit differently, but you're usually looking for a crop icon with overlapping corners or a ratio menu. If you see options like canvas or background inside the editor, those are helpful too. We're not doing heavy editing here, just setting the shape so WhatsApp accepts it without forcing a crop. Choose a square 1:1 aspect ratio. WhatsApp shows your profile picture as a circle within a square, so starting with a perfect square prevents any unexpected trimming. As you switch to 1:1, imagine where the circular frame will sit. Keep faces, logos, or key elements centered and leave a little headroom so nothing important touches the edges. Now resize your original photo so it fits entirely inside that square canvas, leaving borders on the sides that would otherwise get cut off. If your editor allows, pinch to zoom out slightly so the full image is visible and let the empty areas become a clean border. Choose a simple white or black background for those borders, whichever complements your photo best. If your editor initially tries to crop, look for options like fit, fill, or background to switch it from cropping to framing. Keep the border even on all sides and make sure the main subject is centered. This helps it look balanced once WhatsApp displays it in a circle. When you're happy, save the edited image. Saving as a copy is a good idea so you keep your original. Open WhatsApp, go to your profile settings, and select this new square image as your profile photo. In the preview, double check that everything important is inside the circular view and that the borders look clean. Confirm, and you're done. That's all it takes. Select your photo, switch to a 1:1 square, fit the full image inside with a simple border, save, and set it in WhatsApp. Enjoy a full profile picture with nothing cropped out.